Hey guys, today we gonna do ketchup, salt and water challenge. So let's go. First we got water, then we put salt and the ketchup. Then we mix it with a spoon. We have it ready already here, so let's get it. First to try it, Jasper.
Yummy. Wanna see how I taste it? No, not today. Yummy. It tastes like tomato.
Now the next trier is Janis. Tastes good. Finish it off. Give me. Ah, we finished it.